Hello, today we will guide you through how to add rows to Google Sheets with Make.com. To begin, open Make in your browser and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can build automations, called scenarios, that connect different apps and services. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on the dashboard. If not, sign in first and then continue once the dashboard is visible. From the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Scenario. This starts a new automation from scratch. A scenario in Make is the workflow that tells the platform what action to perform and where that action should happen. In this case, the action will be adding information into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Once the scenario builder opens, choose Google Sheets as the app you want to work with. You can usually do this by searching for Google Sheets in the list of available apps and then selecting it. Choosing the correct app is important because it determines what actions Make will offer next. After selecting Google Sheets, choose the action called Add a Row. This tells Make that every time this scenario runs, it should insert a new row into a sheet. This is a useful option when you want to automatically send data into a spreadsheet for tracking, logging, or organizing information. Next, click Create a Connection. This step links your Google account to Make, so the platform has permission to work with your spreadsheets. When you create the connection, Make will prompt you to sign into your Google account and approve the necessary access. Be sure to use the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you plan to update. This helps avoid confusion later when selecting the correct file. Then, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your browser or account settings, but the process is usually straightforward. Read each screen carefully and confirm the permissions needed to continue. If a pop-up window appears, make sure your browser allows it, since the connection process often opens in a separate sign-in window. Once the connection is complete, Make will be ready to work with Google Sheets and continue the setup for adding rows. At this stage, your Google Sheets module is connected and prepared for the next part of the scenario. That's it for this walkthrough. You've now seen how to start a new scenario in Make, select Google Sheets, choose the Add a Row action, and connect your Google account so the automation can access your spreadsheet.